How? I know this is a big question many of you will have, right? How you encourage your child to actually read more effectively. Okay, so I'm given a passage, right? How can I encourage my child to absorb the information to the best of his ability? It can be a passage, a paragraph, or maybe 50 words. Because mind you, for us, 50 words is like easy peasy, right? It's like maybe maximum 2 paragraphs, 2 short paragraphs. But for a child of 7 years old, it's a huge chunk to take in. What is a learning motivator? Okay, a learning motivator is actually an internal driving force that affects students' power to learn. Bring them out to play. I mean, literally, go out there, right? You want to describe beautiful weather. Today is a good day, for example, right? You can bring them out, just go to the park. Ask them to close their eyes, feel the sunshine, right? Feel the sun rays. You'll be able to hear children laughing, you'll be able to hear dogs barking. Let them experience it. Play is not necessarily fun all the time. It's about experiential learning. Retention of information is best done when students are able to see the information presented to them. We always should praise the process, the effort, rather than the outcome. What we're encouraging over here is the love for learning. The moment they're able to be interested, they're able to visualize content, it registers with them. That's the absorption part. If there's one tip that you can let the parents take away from today, right? What would it be?
Stay sane. Don't lose your mind over simple things. They are learning. With young learners, we have been through the K1 and K2, hopefully, right? So you have seen how they react to school. Napping is very important, and after school care is important. And so far, we've talked about the phone as well. The phone exposure. Many of you may be wondering if you should be giving a phone to your kid. If you really think they need something to contact you. At P1, I did not give my kid a phone yet. It was not until P3.
Okay, parents, I'm sure you've learned and picked up some tips along the way. Okay, so we've actually come to the end of our sharing session, okay? But let me just leave you with a quote, as I do for all my lessons, right? Okay, children must be taught how to think, right? Not what to think. Okay, so I believe that 88 Tuition will actually empower your child to take charge of their learning, okay, and to believe that they are able to achieve greater things. Okay, so that being said, if you've got any questions, you know our contact number. Okay, just drop us an email. You can, or the email is there on the screen. Okay, and please sign up, register for an account, let your child learn with us. Take care.